Hey guys, okay, we have another flip through. This is Wonders of Nature by George Tufexis. As of now, I think this is his newest release. So, from his spring scenes forward in his books, the palette is the same. Just so you guys know that. So if you've matched it once, you don't have to keep matching it. Also, it has the sample images in the front and the back so that you know what they're going to look like. There are 46 pages in this. So, yeah. The line art is very, very light on these. I always use my Prismacolor pencils just because I have those colors matched already. And I just like how it turns out with Prismas. Look at the tiger. So, yeah. I like that there's also some under the sea ones. There is a couple. You have several horizontals. So, if you are a fan of horizontals, love the monkeys. But, yeah, I picked this up from Walmart, actually. We were at the lake over in Alabama, and we went to get groceries. And I always stop and see what books that they have. So, I just had to have it. A lot of horizontal. I feel like they make a point to put a horse in every single book. I don't know necessarily if that's true, but I feel that way. Have I colored any of them? Absolutely not. But I definitely feel like you always have a bird. I mean, not bird, horse. Love that. But, oh yeah, mostly horizontal in this book. Actually, look at the bear with the baby bear on his back. Like, how freaking adorable. Llamas. Love the llamas. Under the sea with a turtle. The other one had like a gigantic shark going across, but this one has a turtle. The froggies. Which I love that. But yeah, so again, I'm going to hopefully color one of these this month. You guys, I haven't been able to color much at all. I have colored 4 pages so far. And normally, you guys know at the beginning of the month, I burn through pages. But being that I'm a teacher and school has started, there's just a lot I have to get done. Love that. It's like safari. The puffins. But yeah, I just, you know, it's George Tufexis, so you guys know I had to have it. Y'all know how much I love my George Tufexis. There's one with a turtle. So, yeah, I definitely want to color in here soon. I actually did color in the Endless Summer one. That was gifted to me. So, hopefully I'll also get to do one in here. There's a horse again. Lizards. There's a couple where the line art has some thick spots, like on that one. But penguins. A lemur, which, guys, you know how I feel. We love lemurs. They're cute. Here's flamingos. I want to say that's a coyote. And then we have the back, which again has sample images, colored, what they're going to look like colored. And these come in handy, guys, because there will be places where they're supposed to be numbers, but they didn't get printed or got forgotten or whatever. So you're going to want these to refer to for those spots. So if it's a spot you don't think is white, check in the back and it will have that for you. So yeah, this is, again, Wonders of Nature. And like I said, I want to color in it really bad, but you know, right now making time to color anything is a struggle. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.